Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials ready. Power on the Videocon TV and the device you'll cast from. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network and confirm the TV supports Miracast or Chromecast. This matters because different protocols change the steps. Once done, open the TV settings and enable screencast or cast receiver mode and note the input name exactly. Now, on your phone or PC, open the casting panel. You're ready to search for the TV and begin pairing. You now initiate the connection. Open your device's cast or screen mirroring option in Quick Settings or Display Settings, because that's where the sender advertises available receivers. Select the Videocon TV name shown and make sure to accept any pairing request on the TV. This authorizes the stream. If video looks off, adjust resolution, orientation, or aspect ratio in your device's display settings so it matches the TV's 16:9 layout. Doing this prevents stretching and keeps audio synced. You finish by testing playback and making small tweaks. Play a short video to verify audio and video sync, and change the TV's audio output if sound is missing. If the cast fails, restart the TV, the casting device, or your router to clear network hiccups. This often resolves packet loss or handshake errors. And if wireless performance remains poor, switch to an HDMI cable. Wired mirroring is more reliable. Tip: if freezing happens, lower streaming resolution or move devices closer to the router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.